How to edit a BlueSky social post. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can edit BlueSky social post. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to edit the BlueSky social post, these are the process you need to follow in order to do so. First of all, launch your BlueSky application. After that, you'll be able to see the BlueSky dashboard on your screen. So you just need to head over to the profile where you will be able to find all of the posts that you posted. So in order to edit the post, for example, this one right now on my profile, I'm just going to tap on the three dot. And after tapping on the three dot, you won't be directly finding the option called edit, but the things that you can edit on this profile are like pin it to a profile if you want to pin it to a profile, or you can translate your post as well, or you can mute this thread or mute words and tags of this particular post. And the next thing is you can edit the interaction settings. Just tap on that settings, and when you tap on this settings, you'll be able to find this allow replies from everybody and nobody. You will just change the audience of your replies, and you may also combine these options like mentioned users and followed users. And you can see this code settings also. You may also do this, enable this option, and tap and save. And those are the basic edits that you can do for now in your BlueSky post, BlueSky social post. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.